Question 8 is going to begin by counting the atoms on either side of the equation. We're going to start with boron. There is 1 atom of boron because there's no subscript. Then we're going to move on to fluorine. There are 3 atoms of fluorine, 2 atoms of lithium, 1 atom of sulfur because there's no subscript, and 3 atoms of oxygen. On the product side, I have 2 atoms of boron. I'm going to jump over to the fluorine. That way these are going in the same order as we did on the reactant side. 1 atom of fluorine, 1 atom of lithium. We have 3 atoms of sulfur. There's 1 here, and we have to multiply in for this parentheses. So we have 3 atoms there. And we have 9 atoms of oxygen. I have 3 here, multiplying in for the parentheses as well. I'm going to start by balancing the borons. I have 1 on the left and 2 on the right. So I'm going to change this one to a 2. That's going to make this 2. It's going to make the fluorines, going to change those to 6. Let's put this in red so we can track that change as well. So we have 2 borons now and 6 fluorines thanks to this coefficient. Now I'm going to go through and balance the fluorines. I have 6 on the left, 1 on the right. So I'm going to change this to a 6. That's going to change fluorine to 6. It's also going to change the lithium to 6. Make that green so we can track the change as well, because this coefficient multiplies into the whole molecule here. Lithium's 2 on the left, 6 on the right. 2 multiplies into 6. 2 times blank equals 6. This is going to be a coefficient of 3. So we're going to change this coefficient to 3. That's going to make lithium on the right 6. It's also going to affect the sulfur and the oxygen. So it's going to give me 3 sulfur, and it's going to change oxygen from 3. 3 times 3 is going to equal 9. This just gives me the atoms remaining. I changed this sulfur to 3. I have 3 sulfur on the product side. Let's change oxygen to 9, and I have 9 oxygen on the product side as well. So our equation is balanced now.